prove that tan inverse of root x equal to half cos inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, and the domain is this. Now for proving this part, we can start from the right hand part, but if we start from the right hand part, it may be easier for us to prove the left hand part. Okay, for that we can use one property, the 2 tan inverse of x of cos inverse of this, because you see this tan inverse is converting to cos inverse, so this cos inverse can be converted to tan inverse, so we will apply this property. Let us start from there. Okay, right hand side, half cos inverse, this one is written as root x whole square, then this also can be written as root x whole square, then 2 tan inverse of what is x? If it is x square x, then it is x. If it is root x, then it should be root x. Okay, half into 2 tan inverse x, cancel, we will get tan inverse of root x. This is okay, the equation. If you consider this cos x as x, then it becomes 2 tan inverse. So we can write this one. Okay, tan inverse of 2x. 2x is here cos x, so 2 cos x by 1 minus x square. X means cos x, so it will be cos square x equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. This part is equal to this part. So 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x is equal to 2 cosec x. 2 cos x, and this is 2 cosec x is 1 by sin x. 2 and 2 can be cancelled from both sides, and 1 sin x will be cancelled from this side. It will be cos x, which is equal to 1, implies cos x by sin is equal to 1, and if we recall that cot 45 degree is equal to 1, 45 degree, pi by 4. So this is the solution of this equation. We have to solve this equation. Okay. Now you see how can we proceed. This 1 can be written as tan pi by 4, tan 45 degree. It is x. Then this 1 plus 1 into x, that 1 can be written as tan 45 degree into x. Okay, is equal to half of tan inverse x. Implies property that tan inverse of x minus y is equal to 1 plus xy. Then that is what? Tan inverse of x, x means tan pi by 4, minus tan inverse of y, y means is equal to half of tan inverse of x. Now tan inverse of 10, that means only pi by 4 will remain, so it is pi by 4 minus tan inverse x equal to half tan inverse x. Pi by 4, if we transpose this part to that part, then we will get 3 by 2 tan inverse of x. 2 and this can be cancelled. We can write pi by 2 tan inverse of x implies equal to x. Therefore x equal to, so this is our answer for this equation. Tan inverse of x, as we know, tan is perpendicular by base, so this x by 1, so x can be taken as perpendicular and base is 1. Then we have to find the hypotenuse by using the Pythagoras theorem. It will be root over p square plus b square, so plus x square. Therefore sin inverse will be what? P by h. So sin inverse is p by h. P means x and h means root over 1 plus x square. Okay, we will have only this part, x by root over 1 plus x square. Option D. Therefore our answer is D. Okay, inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x equal to pi by 2. Okay, let us transpose this part to left side. So pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse of x it will be sine inverse of 1 minus x. Okay, then this sine inverse, let us take to that part. So it will be sine pi by 2 plus 2 sine inverse of x equal to 1 minus x. Now sine 90 plus theta, sine 90, consider it as theta. Okay, sine 90 plus theta, it is in second quadrant. Second quadrant sine is positive, and 90 plus theta, it is multiplied by odd number, so it will convert to cos. Cos this part 2 inverse of x, and this is equal to 1 minus x. Now this part it has cos of 2 theta. Okay, cos of 2 theta, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. This is theta. Okay, if you think cos of 2 theta, then this can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So we will write here 1 minus 2 sine square of theta means sine inverse of x, and this part is same 1 minus x. 1 can be cancelled from both sides, so we will have minus x, and this part minus 2, and sine of sine inverse of x, and this part whole square we will write here. Minus x is equal to minus 2 sine inverse we will omit, we will have x, and that part is a square, so 2x square. From both sides we can cancel minus. We will have 2x square minus x equal to 0. Implies we will take common x, it will be 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore either x equal to 0 or x equal to half. Now we have to check whether both the answers are correct or not by putting in the left hand part of the equation. If we consider x equal to 0, then left hand part is 1 minus 0 minus 2 sine inverse of 0. Okay, sine inverse of 1 minus 0, sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 minus sine inverse 0 is 0, so 2 into 0 is 0, means only pi by 2. So this is the right hand part. So our answer is correct for 0. Now if we take x equal to half, then it will be sine inverse of 1 minus half minus 2 sine inverse of half. 1 minus half is half, sine inverse of half is 30 degree, which is pi by 6 minus 2 into pi by 6, pi by 6 minus pi by 3 into minus pi by 6. That means it is not the right hand side. So this for x equal to half, it is C is the correct option. Property tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. We will have tan inverse of x minus y, that means x by y minus x minus y by x plus y, and below it is 1 plus xy, which is x by y, and this part tan inverse x plus y minus y into x minus y, and below it is y into x plus. This calculation part you also can do yourself, it's very simple. Okay, and if which is equal tan inverse, since both are same can be cancelled, we'll have 1, and tan inverse of 1, that means pi by 4. At 45 degree it is 1. So answer is pi by 4, and the correct option is what? It is C.